Greetings everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Today I'll be demonstrating how to resolve the issue of no sound playback while watching a YouTube video. First open your browser and click the three dots on the right upper corner and scroll down and select settings. Then you have to select privacy and security. Then scroll down and select site settings. Again scroll down and select additional content settings. Then click sound. Now in default behavior, you can see there's a tick on the don't allow sites to play sound option. So you have to do it, simply put a tick on site can play sound and that's it. Now in customize behavior, remove YouTube if it has been added. Simply click the three dots and remove. Now you have to minimize the browser and right click the speak icon in the taskbar. Then select open volume mixer. Now see if whether anything has been muted. If it does, simply click the speak icon and unmute it. That's it. Now this video has come to an end. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Peace.